Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It is Wednesday, January 11th, 2023. Here's your integral of the day. We have an indefinite integral of theta times tangent squared theta d theta. So notice here in our integrand, we have a product of two functions. And u substitution will not help us. Remember, when you see tan squared theta written that way, it means tangent of theta squared. It does not mean that theta is squared, the argument. So u sub won't help us. In this instance, we're going to use some integration by parts. So we have to select what's going to be u and what's going to be dv. And remember, in the next step, after you select those two, you find du and you find v, and you want this product to be as easy to integrate as possible. All right. So typically, if you have some sort of polynomial function, you're going to let that be u, which is our theta. And then dv is none other than tan squared theta d theta. All right. Now notice I picked it this way because if u is theta, then du is just d theta, which will be nice for us. However, to find v, we have to antidifferentiate tan squared theta d theta. And you might be rummaging through your mind and trying to say, wait a minute, I don't know the antiderivative of tan squared theta immediately. But actually, yes, you do. You're just going to have to use a Pythagorean identity because maybe we don't know the antiderivative of tan squared easily, but we do know the antiderivative of secant squared. And we can replace tan squared theta with secant squared theta minus 1 d theta. If you don't remember your Pythagorean identities, make sure you review pronto. I'll link a video right here. And then now we can find v, because antiderivative of secant squared, you should know this, that's tangent theta, minus antiderivative of 1 is just theta. Okay, voila. So then now what we're left with is uv, that's this product here, so u times v minus the integral of v du. So v is tan theta minus theta, du is d theta. All right, very nice. Let's continue. This first term here, let's go ahead and distribute that theta through. So we have theta tan theta minus theta squared minus, are we ready to integrate? It feels so soon. Yeah, we are. Antiderivative of tan theta, this is another one you should memorize. You derive it using u substitution and rewriting tangent in terms of sines and cosines, but it comes up so frequently, just put it to memory. ln, absolute value, secant theta. Ba-bam. And then since I have minus and another minus, when I distribute, that's going to become positive. Antiderivative of theta to the first is 1/2 theta squared, and then now I have plus c. And there's one more thing we can do. I can combine like terms because I have negative theta squared and positive 1/2 theta squared. So I'm just going to rewrite theta tan theta. Negative 1, positive 1/2 leaves me with a negative 1/2 theta squared minus ln, absolute value, secant theta plus c. And that's it. How did you like that one? Lots of good reminders, right? Especially with your trigonometry. So I hope you all enjoy. I hope everyone has a fabulous Wednesday. If you need more full-length lecture videos, I have plenty of those on my YouTube channel, all the way from actually algebra and then primarily trig, pre-calc, calc 1, 2, 3, a little bit of linear and differential in there. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. What are all the cool kids saying these days? Smash that like button. And I hope everyone has a fabulous Wednesday. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.